Hey, I'm making this video for all the internet trolls that mock animal cruelty and vegan videos. You're just a bunch of immature little boys who need to be smacked or spanked by your mother. So get up out of the basement and do something productive with your life, you little virgins. You're sitting here calling people pussies, but you've probably never seen one in your life because you're just little internet virgins. Little boys, or fat, ugly, hairy, balding old men that look like they're 6 months pregnant with twins. So you're either little immature boys overall, or fat, ugly, hairy old men who are resistant to change. Time to grow up and do something productive with your life. You're not tough guys. If you were tough, you would join the military. I'll sign you up for the U.S. Marine Corps or Army if you think you're a tough guy mocking others' pain and suffering, or charities that try to prevent it. So, time to grow up, little boys, little virgin boys, get slapped or spanked by your mother. That's my message to you, little cowards, because you never talk crap in person, you just troll online. Because that's a coward hiding behind a keyboard.